today I'm talking the next interview question for data engineer. So this is easy, and so most of data engineer they will ask about simple questions. So this question is valid parenthesis. So as you are aware that parenthesis, this is parenthesis, right? So this is valid because it's starting and ending. This is also valid. Opening, closing, opening, closing. This is not valid, so it's a false. So we would like to see here, right? This is valid parenthesis and this also valid parenthesis. So how do we are going to solve this problem? So this problem we can solve like using a stack and stacks. And what we are going to do, so we going to create open and close, like what is a valid parenthesis, then we are going to compare like open and close and then get from stacks and then check whether it's valid or not, otherwise. So let's talk about this one. So this is open, right? Open equal to, so let's do faster. So how many parentheses they gave us? Let me check here. They gave us 1 2 3 4 5 6 types, right? So we will create, this is bracket, no sorry, this one and the different type of parentheses, and the last one is bracket, this one and this one. So this is open, and then now I'm going to close. This is open, right? So this one is a close. So close here we are going to talk about, so this is open, this is close, right? In the same syntax, this one is this close, and this is open, this is closed, right? Now I want to make a combination open and close so we can compare. So how do we make? Either we can make the manual, or in Python we have function open valid, right? Valid parenthesis, valid open close, right? And then we are going to do list, and then there is a function called zip, so which also can do and open. So let me check this O. It's easy to type, and the close C, so O comma C, and then we can put, so this one we can also print what is going to do. This one later we are seeing how it is look like. So if you want to see this one, let me print, but let's do this as faster because we have limited time and interviewer is asking to do faster. So I'm just running, it will not return any value. Oh, so this one is printing like, oh wait a minute, it's giving wrong, but this is giving correct, right? Bracket open close, right? So open close, open close, open close. So this will basically zip function will do, right? So what I'm going to do, so if you, okay, so now similar open close we need to make, right? So how we are going to make? Okay, so for loop, key and value, right, in string enumerated. I'm going to take from my previous syntax, I don't remember. Enumerated is not coming auto, so s is a string. Okay, so now key and value come. Key and value is like string value, from it will come this one. So now what I'm going to do, okay, so value is in open, right? O, okay, if, so we need to use if. Why this one is not okay? Something wrong here. Oh. Okay, so if v is in O, so in this case what we are going to do, if it is open, then we are going to use one stack which we call stack, and this one is not list, and so in the stack we are going to add append, right? Add or append, right? Append is what we, okay, if this is the A, elif and the V in, if it is not this, in is in, right, in close, so V is in close. In that case, if length is of stack is less than 1, means open came, I mean directly it is close, right? That means it's wrong, right? So we can immediately return false here. And now we are going to do is, if this is not there, then we are going to stack and taking one value which is called pop. Pop will return the last value. And so now we are going to check, right? So this is a V open, right? So this one will come open. So for if for, so this one has a bracket, so we'll put bracket for dot value not in valid OC, right? Then return false, right? Else, so this one is done and let is done, everything is done fine. And if length of stack is less than 1, right? So then it's true, right? There is length, so be 0, return false. Else return true. Let's return, if length is less than, or length is greater than to 0, right? That means false. So let's run this one and see the result, guys. You guys can do the different approach, so I'm doing this approach. Hopefully this will work. So this is true, and this case also true, and this also true. Yeah, this worked well. So you guys practice in different approach. I use stacks and pop and this function and the make valid parentheses. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.